Welcome to the Monkey Maria.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I know I'm really low. It's because I just woke up, and I know I haven't been posting, but today I'm gonna be posting. And let me just do something. Okay, I'm just checking. Today we're going to be playing some Granny. I want to try to beat the game. I normally don't play by myself because it's scary. But right now, I'm just gonna risk it and play by myself. I don't like the music, so... Okay, let's just read this, even though I already read it. It says, tip, be quiet, she hears everything. Keep in mind that if you drop objects on the floor, it creates sounds. Press and hold the remove button and free yourself from the bear traps. Hide under beds or cabinets. You have 5 days. Use headphones for experience. I have my headphones. Get out there. Get out of there. You only have 5 days. All you need in the house. Be quiet. She hears everything. Granny is crazy. Good luck. Okay, let's start. I know I'm really bad because I just woke up. Okay, so we're getting out of bed. Hello? Okay, day 1. Oh, I'm really tired. Right now it's 8:34. Okay, so we're getting out of bed. It says it's what am I doing? Oh my god, I think she can hear me. Oh my god. What kind of laugh was that? Okay, I don't want to move from this bed anymore. I don't know what to do. You guys give me some tips and stuff, because the tips that I heard was not good. Where's Granny? I don't want to move. What is she doing? I'm just gonna end the video here. There she is. Don't let her see me. There she is right there. He's coming back. Oh no. That was scary. I don't want to play anymore. I'm just gonna go home. I don't want to play anymore. I don't like this game. I'm sorry guys, I'm being like a little baby crier, scaredy cat. But I don't like the game, sure. Oh, and this video is, I think, sponsored by Division, these calculators here. I like using calculations. I'm like a math girl. I'm good at them. But also, sometimes I get them wrong. So this is a good calculator. Make sure to get this app. So if you have homework of division and you don't know it, sometimes like me, you could just do this. You can do the house one, or you can do this way. I do it this way. So imagine, like before, I had 35. I had one that was 35. Wait, what? I had one that was 1081, I think, divided by 35. I mean, divided by like, 8. And this is what, oh, oops. What? This is like getting really weird. I don't know, I'll just do a random number. And it was 8. And this is what it was. It was 5. The answer was 55,719. And you have to like minus 40 and then drop down the 5. Put another 40, drop down the 7, which is right there. Put 56, drop down the other 5. 8, 74, drop down the 4, and print 72, which is half of 74, and then print, and then your remainder is 2. It's actually a really good calculator, and don't judge it because I don't want to play Granny anymore. But yeah, in another video, I'm going to be playing some episode, so stay tuned. I'm sorry that I didn't continue playing Granny. I know I'm a scaredy cat. Start roasting me. I know you're roasting me right now. So, bye guys. Hope you have another wonderful video. A wonderful day. Hope you enjoy the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I have my second follower. I know that's not a lot, but it's like a lot for me because I never got like 2 followers before. But that second follower is gonna get a shout out. But that person just has to comment down below hashtag the Blue Goddess Squad or the Monkey Pooperia, hashtag Monkey Pooperia, and I would get it in the comments, and then you will be getting a shout out. And then also I would be giving away a Mac Apple, whatever the hell it's called, or an iPhone X. So yeah. Bye, Monkey Pooperia. Bye. Welcome to the Monkey Pooperia. Shout out goes to Karma the Weirder. She gets the iPhone X. Bye.